I don't usually get excited about cleaning supplies, especially not sponges, but here we are because these ScrubDaddy scour pads actually surprised me. I walked into my kid's bathroom and noticed the area around the sink handles was looking crusty. You know what I'm talking about? Those chalky white rings from hard water, toothpaste, soap, and who knows what else. And I've tried everything on those before: old toothbrushes, vinegar, even a plastic scraper. Nothing really worked without scratching the metal. This time, I figured I'd test out one of these ScrubDaddy scour pads. I couldn't believe it. Within seconds, it started cutting through the buildup. No harsh chemicals, no scratching, and it actually wrapped around the base of the faucet to get into the tight spots. I rinsed it off and the pad still looked brand new. And that was the moment I got it. These aren't just sponges, they're like little cleaning machines that adapt to the job. The flex texture foam changes based on water temperature. Cold makes them stiff and powerful for scrubbing, while warm makes them soft and gentle. So you're basically getting two tools in one. The ScrubDaddy scour pads are officially part of my cleaning arsenal now. They're absorbent, flexible, durable, and they do what they promise. There's a link in the description if you want to try them for yourself. Trust me, this little sponge is going to make you feel like a cleaning wizard.